Hey guys, let's go over seated dynamic box jump. So love this movement when you're trying to develop hip explosiveness, speed, especially benefits things such as like your golf swing where you're creating that rotation and boom, a lot of dynamic movement involved there as well as in this. So for our purposes, we're going to be demonstrating this on a low box, but some of my clients can perform these on much higher boxes, 36, 40 inches. But I'd say start off low, and as you get better, progress upward. So you'll need a bench or a box, some sort of object to sit on, as well as a box, mats, plyo boxes. Make sure it's nice and stable to land on. So with this, abs are nice and tight. Okay, you'll bring your feet up slightly, and then bring them down on the ground. And right when you bring them on the ground, then you'll do a very dynamic jump, really focusing on exploding with quads and the hips to get on top of the box. So at full speed, they'll look like this. Make sure you reset after every rep. Focusing on being nice and dynamic and fast. And that right there is the seated dynamic box jump.